Hi, my name is Ariel Lehater, physical therapist and Pilates instructor, Pilates studio owner of Pilates Sante in Los Gatos, California. And today I wanted just to review one of the most basic exercises that you'll see a blend between physical therapy and Pilates fundamentals called bird dog or pointer dog or quadruped on all fours. This is an exercise that we use very often, especially when working with clients that have low back pain and we're looking to stabilize their lumbar spine. It's an exercise that's often performed incorrectly. So today we're just going to revisit the mechanics of this exercise. You're going to start on your hands and knees, making sure that your hands are directly underneath your shoulders, your knees are underneath your hips. Okay? And then just check in with your pelvis. You can rock it just a couple of times and find your neutral spine position for you today. Many people end up in a position where they're extended here. So you really want to think of kind of drawing the rib cage up and connecting in your lower waistline. And then from here, start to see if you can lift one arm up, reaching with the thumb toward the ceiling, reaching that arm straight out, maintaining neutral spine. And then placing the arm back down. And then switching sides. And just get a feeling of this movement and this flow with your upper half. And then we can take it into the more challenging lower half. So sliding the leg out, maintaining pelvic neutral, lifting the leg up, maintaining pelvic neutral. The mistake that most people make here is they lift the leg too high and hyperextend the back. So we really are working toward a nice low angle here and then lowering the leg back down. And again, extending the leg out, maybe on the mat first, and then lifting up toward hip height, drawing the lower belly in a lot. And then once you feel stable in this position, we'll start to increase the challenge by adding the arm and leg together, reaching out and holding. And we can hold here from anywhere from 10 seconds all the way up to 60 seconds. We can also add some dynamic movement, lowering straight, lifting straight, lowering straight, keeping the pelvis level, lifting straight. We can bend in, inhale, exhale, extend. Consider doing anywhere from 5 to 10 repetitions on each side, moving slow and controlled, but most importantly, maintaining pelvic neutral. And you'd perform that on both sides. I'd love to hear any comments below. If you have challenges with this exercise or other variations you really like, please also consider hitting the bell icon to subscribe for more educational videos. Follow us on social media. We look forward to hearing from you.